Hi students. Students, we are going to learn today EVS block number 5. Yes, in the last section what we have seen? Game as a work. What? Game as a work. So students, today we are going to see my favorite game. Okay. Students, what are the games? What are the games? Cricket, basketball, kabaddi, kho-kho. Indoor games what are there? Carom, chess, ludo, these are the indoor games, and kabaddi, kho-kho, cricket, these are the outdoor games. Yes, you have seen that also in our first section, means indoor and outdoor games. After that, games as a work, and today we are going to see game as a my favorite game. So students, you like to play games every day, yes? Because of that you can understand it very properly, that for which game is that, and you can play with the interest in that game. Yes, so students, today I will ask you some questions. Okay, which here see I have written some questions on the blackboard. What is the game, mean which game you like cricket, football, which game you like, or carom, which game you like? You like the cricket very much. Today, in after in 19 on 19 September there is the World Cup. Yes, there is. Okay, so we will see that World Cup. Okay, what is the game? Means what game it is? Which game you like? So which is the game it is? Okay. After that, do it can be play indoor or outdoor? Can be played inside or outside? No, it cannot be played. Cricket we cannot play inside. We have to play that outdoor only. Why? Because if we are batting, so there's at a time something in our house it will be broken. Means like cupboard, TV, fridge, something is there, it will be broken, so we cannot play inside that. We have to play that game outside only. But carom, ludo, you can play inside these games. It can be played alone. Cricket can be play alone. No, it is a group game. We have to play with our group only. Who had played these games? What? Who had played these games? There are many players. There are many players in the cricket. Yes, there are 11 players players in the cricket. Do you know the cricketers who are there? Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, Rahul, uh, and Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, and what? Dhoni. These are the cricketers. They are playing the cricket. Okay. So these are the outdoor games only that they are playing in the outside only. Okay, students. So why should we play these games? Why it is important to play these games? Or because when you are playing this game you will be very interested in that. You will enjoy that play. You can enjoy that game. It is very fun. Yes, it is very fun with playing group. Yes, so when you are playing that game you will get fun. You will enjoy that game. After that you will means you will what you will do, exchange your mind with each other. Means what you are telling, what he is telling, you will understand it. And after that, means you are what you are saying or what they are saying, you can understand it very properly, and with the help of that you can play it very nicely. Okay, so when you are playing these group games, so that time what they are doing, we are playing with our friends, so we are exchanging our thoughts with each other. Yes, so all this we are doing, we can learn many things. We can learn many things from that. Our fitness also will be good. Our health also will be good. And for this exercise also, we are having exercise also. For having our body also, our exercise, it will be having exercise also. Means all these things what we are doing, we are play with the help of that game. We are all enjoying that. Yes, when you are playing the games, you have first what you are doing, you are work upping. Means you are keeping your body first warm, and after that you are playing the game. Yes, friends, do you understand? Yes, you understand no, how these games are played, and from this we will understand with that what is our favorite game. So many games are there. Yes, many games are there, and with the help of that games your body also will be fit. You are keeping your body warm. Yes, all these things are happening, and you are exchanging your thoughts also with our friends, and that we are enjoying, we are making fun. Yes, all these things are happening with when we are playing the game. Okay, so then how many of this they are playing alone, or we have to play uh, this game, do you like to play alone, or do you like to play with the group games? Yes, you will like to play the group games. Yes, because if you are alone, so you will not have fun. Yes, if you are playing with others, so it will be very fun. Means playing together is very nice, but playing alone it is very not nice. But if sometimes in the lockdown nobody is there, so what you will do, you have to play alone. So these are the this section, in this section what we have done, my favorite game. Okay students, do you understand all very properly? Okay, thank you.